So it says compound assignment with augmented addition. In programming, it is common to use assignments to modify the contents of a variable. Remember that everything to the right of the equal sign is evaluated first, so we can say my var equals my var plus 5. Yeah, okay, so it's showing you the shorthand of writing that. To add 5 to my var, since this is such a common pattern, there are operators which do both a mathematical operation and assignment in one step. One such operator is the plus equals operator. Var, my var equals 1, my var plus equals 5, and then if you log it, it returns 6. And that is because it's saying my var is equal to my var plus 5. And you're saying my var is equal to 1 plus 5, and then that returns 6. That's why it returns 6. Okay, so it says convert the assignment A, B, C to use operator plus equals. So it's saying A is equal to 3, B is equal to 17, C is equal to 12. So it wants you to use the assignment operator. So you can get rid of this and put plus equals. That's one done. B, you can do the same here. You put plus equals. And then, yeah, you can do the same here. We try to confuse this with the second one by putting the B afterwards. But literally, it's just the same sign for all three. And test. Okay, I've done that. Cool.